My name is Michael Mastro. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Vastu Creations. Please subscribe, ring the bell. Today we're going to look at the chart for actress Meryl Streep. If you look to the eastern horizon when she was born, you would see the constellation associated with Cancer rising at 9 degrees. 9 degrees becomes the most effective point of every house. And any planet like Saturn, Jupiter, and Sun that are within 5 degrees have a lot of impact in the chart. So first we're going to look and see what this person came here to learn about in this lifetime, and we can do that by looking at the Multicona signs and what houses they're placed in. So starting with the first sign of Aries, ruled by Mars, in the career house, we can see that she's very focused on being successful in her career. And then we look at the fourth sign of Cancer, ruled by Moon. She's very focused on doing what she came here to do, her life purpose. Then the fifth sign of Leo in the second house, ruled by Sun, working on wealth, fame, and stability in marriage. The sixth sign of Virgo, ruled by Mercury, in the house of success in performing arts. Then we have the seventh sign of Libra, ruled by Venus, in the house of happiness, learning about what it takes to be happy. And the ninth sign of Sagittarius, ruled by Jupiter, in the house of healing, learning about health and healing. The 11th sign of Aquarius, ruled by Saturn, in the 8th house, learning about diving into the deeper meaning of life. So now we'll look at how the planets are operating, then we'll look at when the planets are operating, the dasha periods, and then we'll look at what we could do to strengthen the chart. So first off, we see Sun is placed in the 12th house. Any Multicona signs that are in the 6th, 8th, or the 12th, the rulers of those signs become functional malefics. So Sagittarius ruled by Jupiter. Jupiter and Aquarius ruled by Saturn become functional malefics. That means they can cause some challenges along with Rahu and Ketu. So, but Sun sitting in the 12th house gives it's ruling the house of wealth and fame. So it gives wealth and fame through detachment and the significations of Sun, which is taking leadership roles and having good organizational skills and being able to take on different roles in the parts that she plays without being attached. Then we have, and then this also, Sun represents father, so there can be some detachment from father. Moon is ruling the house of good life purpose. So life purpose through career in performing for the public. Moon is public. And then it also gives beauty. And so Mars is conjunct Mercury. It's ruling the house of success through performing arts and connection to passion and drive and communication skills. Mercury, again, gives this success in performing arts through the communication and connections with others. Jupiter, again, is debilitated and it's functional malefic and it's placed in the house of partnerships. So healing connected to relationships and partnerships, learning about that. Then we have Venus ruling the house of happiness, placed in the house of being detached from the roles that she plays in her performing arts. Venus itself is beauty and performing arts. Saturn is ruling this house of diving deeper into the meaning of life and also research into the roles that she plays in the movies she is acting in. And it's through the discipline and hard work of Saturn researching these roles that gives her wealth and fame. Then we have Rahu and Ketu. Rahu gives ambition and desire for success in career. Ketu gives insights into what makes her happy. And these are always balancing each other, Ketu and Rahu. In this case, balancing the home life and the work life. Let's look at the timing of events. In 78, she got her first Emmy. That was during a Mercury period. So Mercury bringing success. And then in 78, her lover died. And that was during a K2 period, K2 ending of a relationship. And then got married later in 78 during a Venus period, starting a family, and also had a son during that period. And then her biggest successes were Kramer versus Craver in 78, 79, and 80, and then 83. Sophie, she got an Oscar for that, and then got an Oscar for The Iron Lady in 2012, all during Rahu main periods or sub periods. So what could we do to strengthen the chart? We want to not strengthen the malefics, Rahu, Ketu, Saturn, and Jupiter. We want to transform them through helping other people, which she does. She is involved in lots of charities. And then we want to strengthen Venus, Sun, Mercury, Mars, and Moon. And that could be through gemstones, pearls, red coral, green emerald, rubies, and diamonds, or wearing a kavash, which is a locket containing the Devata yantras for those planets. You can get a kavash on our website at vastucreations.com. You can also get a consultation of a Vastu or astrology reading, and you can also learn Vastu or Vedic astrology and become certified. Thank you so much for listening. I hope you enjoyed this. Catch you next time. I don't know if it worked.